How to add highlight on Instagram without adding a story. So it's actually quite impossible for you to add a highlight without adding a story. But if you wish to create a highlight without your friends seeing your story, then what you can do is you can go here to your Instagram. And first and foremost is you tap on the upper right here, the three dash lines there. Click on that and go to settings and privacy. Now under settings and privacy, scroll down up until you see the who can see your content section and click on hide story and live. Now here, it's kind of very tiring for you, especially if you do have a lot of followers. So what you're gonna do are following. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna individually click on those people to hide the story from. So basically, if you do have 40,000 followers or following, you have to click one by one those 40k people and tap on done here. Now, the next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna create a story next. Just the usual, create a story, and basically no one will see that, right? Now, after 24 hours, it will now immediately go to your archive. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back here to your profile, right? And tap on new here to create a new highlight. And basically you will see that Instagram story. So all you have to do is to click on that Instagram story or those Instagram story that you wish to put on your highlight. And take note, your friends won't be able to see your story or your post or your story during that day. And then tap on next here and then just tap on add. And now you have added successfully added a highlight on Instagram without adding it to story because again it actually you did add it to your story but no one saw it because you have blocked them from seeing your story. Now after that is you have now new highlight. So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna go back here to settings and privacy and go to hide story and live, and again individually remove them from hide story from and tap on done. So basically if you they will visit your account, they will then see your highlight here. And that's how you add highlight on Instagram without adding to story. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.